Hey guys, it's Anna, and today I'm doing a part 2 of teaching you my favorite contortion poses. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a chin needle, a bow pose, and also a floor needle. Also, I have an exciting announcement at the end of this video, but first let's go ahead and get started. In order to do contortion, you need a good amount of flexibility, so the best way to get flexible is by stretching often. So I recommend stretching at least 3 to 5 days a week. If you don't know what stretches to do, I have a lot of follow-along stretching routines here on my YouTube channel, so I'll leave a few of my favorites linked down in the description.
It can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow.
First pose we're going to do is called a chin needle, and this is a great pose to learn, especially if you're just getting started with contortion. To do this pose, start by grabbing onto the ankle that would normally be in the back when you do your splits. Then, keeping your leg bent, try to pull up your foot as close to your chin as you can. Once you're able to pull your foot all the way up to your chin, slightly flex your foot to hold it there without hands.
I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people...
If you don't have enough flexibility to pull your leg all the way up yet, a great stretch to do is a standing quad stretch. Then for an even deeper stretch, you can pull in your back leg in a pigeon pose or a lunge.
And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Next up is a bow pose, so to do this, lay on your stomach and then bend your legs so that you can reach overhead to grab onto your ankles. Once you're holding onto your ankles, slightly lean forward to lift up your legs, and to make this even more advanced, you can try to straighten out your legs. If that's a bit too advanced, you can start off by doing the same motion just without reaching over your head. For beginners, do this with your legs bent and slightly lifted off the ground, and then as your flexibility improves, you can try to straighten out your legs. Once you're able to get your legs fully straight in this version, try the reaching overhead one, and once you're super comfortable with it, you can even get creative and try different leg variations in this pose. Also, it's completely normal to mess up a few times when you're first learning this, so don't be discouraged, just keep on working at it. The final pose before I tell you my exciting announcement is a floor needle. To do this, lay on your stomach and slightly lift up your chest by going on your elbows. Then reach one arm overhead to grab onto the leg that is normally in the back when you do a front split. Once you have a hold of your leg, try to straighten it out as much as you can, and if you can get it fully straight, lean your chest forward to the ground to go into a full floor needle. A great stretch to do when working towards this is going into a split and arching back as far as you can. And that's all the contortion tricks, but don't go yet, because like I said, I have an exciting announcement, which is that you guys can win cash prizes just by learning these tricks. And that's because I'm now an ambassador for the Compete app, which is a fun social media platform with lots of challenges you can get involved in and win cash prizes for entering the challenges or even just watching them. So the app is now available on the App Store for iPhone users. or in the Play Store if you're an Android user. I'm actually hosting a challenge on the Compete app right now called Bendy Backbends, where I want to see your most creative backbends. And if you want more details, just go down to the link in the description. I'll be hosting challenges there for the next few months, so I hope you guys decide to join me, and good luck.